Hello guys, and welcome back to viabri. Today we're in a different setting. We're in the kitchen because I'm making a celebratory cake for hitting 2K subscribers, and without you this wouldn't have been possible. I'll also be answering a Q&A and doing some assumptions while we're baking, so let's get on with it. This video is in collaboration with Halara. They sent over their black crossover patch-off leggings and I absolutely love them. They are an athleisure company that carries clothing. Their materials consist of nylon and spandex, which gives you the comfortability as well as the stretchy feel. The features I love the most on these leggings are the high-waisted crossover waistband as well as pockets on both sides, which is very rare to find on leggings. I also love how Halara is super inclusive with their sizing. Their sizes range from extra small to plus size. I got a medium and in the color black. You guys can check out Halara with the discount code right here for 20% off your order. Regular price they are $55, which is already super affordable compared to other brands with the same quality, but is actually on sale right now for $34. And added with my discount code right here, you can get it for only $27. So thank you Halara for collaborating with me for this video, and let's get on with the video. First thing is to separate the egg whites from the egg yolks. So here are my 5 eggs. I'm going to put the egg yolks here and the egg whites here. The first question is, how do your affiliate links work? And linked to my Instagram and YouTube videos, there is my link tree, which has all the links to all my socials and all the discount codes you guys can get. If the code is provided, you must manually enter it to receive the discount, and if not, you can just use the links. I finished separating the egg yolks and I've added 50 grams of sugar and 1 gram of salt. While I'm whisking this, let's get on with our question. Where is your dream travel destination, and what is some advice for small YouTubers like me? I'd love to visit Vienna or Australia for the travel destination, and advice for small YouTubers or people who are thinking of starting YouTube and haven't yet is to not care what other people think and just start posting what makes you happy, and not to give up after posting a few videos. Keep a consistent schedule and you'll start to grow. I think the egg yolks are all mixed up now, so let's move on. The next step is to use a whisk to whisk up the egg whites. So I'm going to attach this whisk attachment. And the next question is, how did I come up with the name viabri? So the name is actually broken into 2 parts. Viabri, so brie comes from my name Sabrina, and then via means like from, so it's like from Sabrina, which is the name viabri. It is the name for the YouTube channel and the shop as well. I'm going to go ahead and whip up these egg whites and then slowly add in 70 grams of sugar. This is how the egg whites and sugar look, all whipped up. And now we're going to fold it into the egg yolk mixture. So right now I'm folding the egg white mixture into the egg yolk mixture in increments, and we'll answer the next question. Somebody asked how I got into sewing. So originally I wanted to make my own clothes and be able to do thrift flips because I saw them on YouTube and I loved watching them. So I started picking up sewing by hand sewing, and then I actually got a machine that could also do embroidery. My latest video is actually a thrift flip, so you guys can go check it out. Now I'll be sifting the flour using this into the mixture. Somebody asked who inspired me to make a YouTube channel, and originally I just started by posting a video tutorial for my DIY scrunchie kit, and that was in January of 2020, but I didn't actually start showcasing running behind the scenes business or vlogs until February or March, and then that's when I started posting consistently. I was inspired by a few other business owners that I saw their YouTube channel really help them grow, so that's what inspired me to make a channel. And now we have expanded to do many other things, and I really like filming and creating content. This is what it looks like when it's all sifted, and now we're just gonna fold that in. I actually didn't get too many assumptions, but here are a few. It says, I think you're tall, you have siblings, and you do cheer. I wouldn't say I'm tall, but I think I'm above average height. I do have a brother, and I've never done cheer, but I have danced before. Someone asked if we are planning on releasing other types of products. Right now we are doing masks, scrunchies, stickers, notepads, and face masks, and I'm not planning on releasing new types of products, but I am planning on releasing different types of styles. As always, the link to the shop is linked in the description down below. I measured out 50 grams of milk and 50 grams of oil, and I'm just taking a little bit of that batter to mix it in, and then pouring the whole thing into the rest of the batter. What was your favorite video posted? So my favorite video that I have created is the one I got for Christmas 2021. I feel like that was a really genuine reaction to everything, and I was super happy filming that and editing it as well. How often do you post on YouTube and Instagram? So on YouTube I try to post every week, but I might miss them, so every 1 to 2 weeks. And then on Instagram I try to do either a post, a reel, or a story every single day. Now we're ready to bake, so here is the size pan I'll be using. And I'm gonna put a piece of parchment paper so it doesn't stick. I'm going to go ahead and fold the parchment paper to the measurements of the pan and then pour the batter and smooth it out. While we're waiting for the cake to bake, I quickly went ahead and made a cream cheese buttercream. I just used cream cheese, sugar, and 35% cream, and I whipped them all together, and then we're gonna use this to decorate and frost it later. Somebody asked what kind of music I listen to. I do listen to a large variety, but my favorite artist right now is Taylor Swift, and my friend made me these plates, which I want to show you guys. So this one's a red scarf, and it says, "I remember it all too well." This one is a champagne glass, and it says, "You won't remember all my champagne problems." There's a bed for "Cause You Were Never Mine," a cowboy boot for "Cowboy Like Me," a lake for "Take Me to the Lake." And these are my 5 favorite songs, so I just want to show you guys these because they're so pretty. Once it's out of the oven, I remove the original parchment paper and flip it over onto a new piece of paper. This way it prevents wrinkling. I'm going to use a cake form as a marker and then go ahead and cut around that so I have 2 even circles. I'm going to go ahead and put these 2 circles into the fridge so it can cool down. And then after about half an hour, I'm going to take them out and then we're going to frost them. But I'm really impatient and I want to try some of the edge, so let's try it. It's super soft in the middle and I can't wait to try the actual cake. I have a bit of leftover cream here, and I'm gonna add a little bit of food coloring so I can pipe out the lettering. You can really see the pink start to come through here. I tried piping the letters 2K and then it progressively kept getting worse, so I ended up with kind of a pink marbled top and a 2K on the top. Obviously my piping bag had to explode, so I spent a long time trying to clean that up. I have finally finished decorating this cake and I'm super excited to show you guys. So here's the final product. I don't want to drop it. I've moved it onto a plate, so now we can cut it. Thank you guys so much for making this cake with me and leaving all the questions and assumptions on my Instagram and YouTube comments as I asked. I hope you guys loved this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!